Hi lovelies, I'm Joyce from Onyx Food Hill. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about roasted vegetables. So I'll be showing you how to make easy roasted vegetables with few simple steps. So in my own case, I'm using carrots, red bell pepper, broccoli, cauliflower, radish, and red onion. These are low-carb veggies and they cook up within a short time. But you can use other types that you like. Cut all your vegetables into fairly uniform sizes. This will allow them to heat up at the same time. And I will start with the carrots. Peel the carrots and trim off both ends. Then proceed to cutting into medium chunks and then into quarters. Also trim off both ends of the radishes and cut into smaller chunks just like the way you are seeing. For the cauliflower, you want to cut into florets, starting from the stem, and then use your hands to separate the florets. This prevents them from crumbling into tiny pieces. You can see those nice little florets are still in good shape. You will also need to do the same for the broccoli. Onion is also very important in this recipe. It adds and improves the sweet flavors of the rest of the veggies. Peel it first and then cut into chunky pieces. Next, cut the sweet pepper into half. Take out the seeds. Then cut into bit-sized pieces. When done, combine all the chopped vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Drizzle with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Coating the vegetables in oil is really essential as it helps the veggies to caramelize beautifully. Now, season with half teaspoon each of cumin, freshly ground black pepper, curry powder, garlic powder, and finally add some salt to taste. Use your clean hands to toast the veggies and make sure all the seasonings are nicely coated. It's now time to roast the vegetables, and you want to make sure you are using a metal pan, as metal pan heats up really quickly and helps distribute the heat evenly, and also allow the veggies to cook at the same time. But first, make sure to spread some cooking oil on your metal pan, or simply use a parchment paper on it. This prevents the veggies from sticking to it and helps clean up time really quickly. Spread out the veggies evenly in the pan. That way you will end up with some beautifully caramelized and crispy vegetables. So now this is gonna go into the preheated oven and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. When you are halfway into the cooking time, take the pan out and flip over all the veggies and then roast again for a few minutes so as to get an even color on both sides. And here you go, your beautifully roasted vegetables are ready. You can store them in the fridge for days. Roasting your vegetables helps bring out their natural sweetness, making them appealing and easy to eat. You can use your roasted vegetables as a side dish on pizza, pasta, or stir fry for a boost of flavor. Or simply eat them the way they are with a drizzle of lemon juice. So lovelies, this was the best way to roast vegetables. As you can see, they are tender and equally packed with lots of yummy flavor. I hope you try this combination out and let me know what you think. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you again. Bye!